Welcome back to Crash Rally TV. Today's highlight brings you a full compilation of the most dramatic rally fails and crashes from 2025. Buckle up, because this is going to be one wild ride. Right from the start, you can see how unforgiving rally racing can be. One wrong move, one split-second miscalculation, and the car is gone. Drivers push the limits, but the road always pushes back harder. Each fail tells a story. Each crash a lesson about the razor-thin line between glory and disaster. Here comes a brutal moment. Too much speed, not enough grip. The car slides out, kicking up dirt, and there's no way back. It bounces sideways, colliding with the barrier. A painful impact, but this is why rally demands precision, not just courage. And here's another example of how quickly things can change. The track narrows, surface shifts, and the driver is forced to correct. One tiny mistake, and the car spins out of control. Rally doesn't forgive hesitation. Look at this sequence. A slippery curve. The driver tries to hold it together. The back end breaks loose. Sliding, spinning, and finally off the track. That's the reality of rally. Pure risk at every turn. Watch this next one. The car flies high off the jump, but the landing goes wrong. Rally is chaos, and that's what makes it fascinating. You can feel the intensity building. Every crash is a reminder that rally racing is about more than just speed.
I'm paying. First, guys. Oh, there it is, not there. Oh, that's nice. Quick or... Oh, it's done. The strap.
The strap blood. It's good. There's the is.
Coming. Yeah, don't throw anything anymore. Just a little bit more, guys. Come on. Go, go.
It's about skill, control, and the bravery to face the unknown roads. Another huge hit here. The car clips the edge, flips violently, and rolls before coming to a stop. Thankfully, the safety gear holds up, and the driver walks away.
Stazione 3, postazione 3.
Rossa, rossa. Questa è la proprio. Hai preso?
It's a powerful reminder of the resilience in this sport. And that's rally for you. Unpredictable, dangerous, but endlessly thrilling. As we reach the end of this compilation, remember, these drivers risk it all for the sport they love. Respect the effort, admire the courage, and never forget, safety always comes first. That wraps up today's Rally Fail compilation. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and check out the original creators linked below. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and keep the spirit of rally alive.